Hello, today we're going to explain how to download and install SalsaJ. So go to Hands on Universe website and click to download the version with macros and associated images. Install the version that you need. Okay. Once you have done that, execute the installer. So I say yes. Install. Good. Go to your disk C, program files x86, SalsaJ, and you're going to delete this jar file. Go back to your page, and you're going to download this version because it opens FC compressed files, the ones that you can download from LCO, Las Cumbres Observatory Observation Portal. So you just click download. Let's go to download. And you can double click or extract. Take this jar file, cut, and paste in the SalsaJ folder. Go back, and we are going to solve the plugins. Download. Same, you can double click or extract. What you're going to do is you're going to add a jar extension, dot jar. Okay. Now take the folder, cut, and paste it here, the SalsaJ folder, but in the plugins subfolder. Okay, paste. Good. Go back and execute SalsaJ. There, it works. Now you can open your files. Let's try. Open an LCO file. Okay, here it is. You can adjust. Now you can use all these SalsaJ features. Yeah, good. Also, up profiles. Yeah, all is ready. Hope this helps and see you next time. Thank you.